purpose, and resilience. In the next few minutes, I'd like to share some thoughts with you all. First, we have our vocational school administrator, Madam Rowena Colby, whose leadership and dedication continue to inspire excellence in education. To our head teachers and our school assistant principal. From the division of Nueva Ecija, we are honored to have Mr. Ronaldo A. Pozon, the division supervisor, whose guidance steers the direction of our school and institution. Lastly, we are privileged to have with us today Engineer Delmar Ramos Nunes, an alumnus from the class of 2007 and our guest of honor as the keynote speaker. His achievements are a testament to the power of education and perseverance. To all teachers and faculty and staff, parents, fellow computers, and friends, a blessed morning to everyone. First and foremost, I acknowledge that none of these achievements we have made, the lessons we have learned, or the growth we have experienced would have been possible without the grace of God. It is through His will that we are here today, ready to take on the next chapters of our lives. I stand before you today, filled with a mix of gratitude, joy, and excitement. But more than anything else, I am humbled. Humbled by the journey we've all gone through. Humbled by the obstacles we've overcome. And humbled by the people who have supported us along the way. Nais ko po sanang magsimula sa isang tanong. Ano po ba sa tanong nyo, ano sa tingin nyo ang ibig sabihin ng tagumpay? Madalas po natin itong narinig. At marami rin naiisip natin na ito ay ang pagkuha ng parangal, pagiging leader, o pagkakaroon ng mga mataas na marka. Ngunit sa aking pananaw, ang tagumpay ay hindi palagi nasusukat sa nakikita ng mata. Minsan, ang tagumpay ay matatagpuan sa maliliit na bagay. Sa bawat hakbang sa pagtulong sa isa't isa, sa bawat sakripisyo, at sa bawat pagbangon matapos ang pagsubok. Ang ating paglalakbay sa mundo ng edukasyon ay puno ng mga hamon at pagsubok. Mula sa ating unang araw ng klase hanggang sa huling pagsusuri. Bawat hakbang ay may kasamang pag-aalinlangan at pagod. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat, narito tayo ngayon. Nagsisilbing patunay ng dedikasyon at pagsusumikap. As I look back on the years we've spent here on junior high school, it's impossible not to think of the challenges that came with it. This wasn't an easy journey. For me, it was full of struggles, tears, and the moments when I doubt myself. I'm sure I'm not alone in feeling that way. We've all had a fair share of challenges, whether they're academic, personal, or emotional. But despite everything, here we are, standing on the edge of something new and exciting. When I started this journey, I never imagined I would be standing here today as the STE valedictorian. I never thought I could make it when everything seemed to be falling apart. There were nights where I would lie awake, questioning if I was good enough, if I could make it through the tough days, and that I could keep up with everything that was expected of me. There were times when I felt so small, as if I would never be able to catch up. But little did I know, these very struggles were the ones that would shape me, that would help me grow stronger. During my journey here in junior highs, I faced many hardships. I've had moments of failure, moments when I felt like I was losing everything. I've had to deal with personal issues and the pressure to be perfect. There was a time when everything seemed impossible, when the weight of the schoolwork, personal issues, the SDF, and the expectations I had of myself were all crashing down on me. I didn't think I could do it. She told me, Topa, kaya mo yan. Alam ko mananalo ka. Tiwala lang kay God. And I did one. 4th place. That's a record for physical science category in junior high school. Since no one had attained higher than 3rd place in research. So thankful for her words that she's the first one I messaged when they announced that I won on stage. They always remind me that the best things in life are never easy, and the most rewarding victories come from hard work and perseverance. It was in those times, or the moments of doubts, that I found the strength to keep going. I lean on God, my family, my friends, and my teachers. Sa aking mga magulang, Mama, Daddy, wala pa akong sapat na salita upang ipahayag ang aking masasalamat sa lahat ng mga bagay, pagmamahal at sakripisyo na inyong pinagkaloob. Hindi ko po kayang suklian ito ng sapat. Kayo ang unang guro sa aking buhay. Bago pa man ako matuto magbasa o magsulat, kayo na nagturo sa akin ng magandang asal, paggalang sa kapwa, at kahalagahan ng pamilya. Hindi ko man palaging sinasabi, ngunit sa puso't isip ko po, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Habang buhay kong darating ang alaala at aral na pinahagi niyo sa akin. Sa aking mga SD advisors, Ma'am Mex, Ma'am Sheila, Ma'am Ana, at syempre, ang pinaka-pogi ko at mabait na SD 10 advisor, Sir Christopher Gabibio, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko mararating ang bagay na ito kung hindi kayo naging parte ng junior high school ko. Hindi ko po alam kung paano ako magpapasalamat sa inyo. At para doon, hindi ko po malilimutan ang sakripisyong ginawa niyo para sa akin. To my teachers, thank you for not just teaching me the lessons in textbooks, but for also teaching me the valuable lessons in life. Thank you for pushing me when I needed it, for believing in me when I couldn't even believe in myself. Your encouragement, patience, and dedication helped me more than you'll ever know. To my friends, especially Freya, Marvy, Child, Sairan, Natalie, Joshua, and Association, thank you for always being there for me, for lifting me up when I felt like I couldn't go on. You guys are my support system. We may have gone through different challenges, but we've all been there for each other. And that's something that I will never forget for the rest of my life. And to my family, especially my Lola Bali, Porgy, Tito Mandy, and my late Lola Ina, whom I promised that she would score. Words cannot express how grateful I am for all your love and support. You were my constant source of strength. I wouldn't be standing here today without you. Today is a celebration, not just of academic achievements, but of growth, resilience, and the lesson we have learned along the way. We've all had our battles to fight, our own storms to weather, but through it all, we've come out stronger, braver, and more ready to take the next chapter of our lives. I want to leave you with one last thought. It's to never underestimate the power of resilience. Life will not always be easy. We will face new challenges, new obstacles, and new setbacks. But just remember, it's okay to fall. It's okay to fail. The most important thing is we keep fighting. We keep believing in ourselves. Because with hard work, perseverance, and the support of the people who love us, there is nothing we cannot overcome. Sometimes, somewhere, I might say. Thank you to everyone who has been a part of my journey. This may be the end of one chapter, but it's also the beginning of something new and exciting. To my fellow competitors, let's continue to chase our dreams, face our fears, and never stop believing in the greatness within us. Muli, ako po si Disney May M. Francisco, your SBE valedictorian. Mabuhay para ng sinisita, mabuhay SBNPS. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations, Batch 2019. 2024 to 2025, patayin computers at mabuhay tayo lahat.